Hello friends, today we discuss about geography MCQ. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. With reference to India, the term hal, be, who and Q pertain to options are option A, dance form of northwest India, option B, musical instrument, option C, prehistoric cave and painting, and option D, tribal languages. Right option is option number D, tribal languages. Halbi, who and Q are the languages of tribes. The Halbi language is mainly of Bastar, Chhattisgarh. Its speakers are the Raj, Muria, Halba, Mahar, Parja, Lohra tribes spread from Odisha to Maharashtra, who is the language of Munda family, which is spoken by tribe like Hu, Munda, Koi, etc. Its main area in West Singhabhumi, Jharkhand, while the speaker spread from Odisha to Maharashtra. Q is the language to the Dravidian family. It is mainly spoken by the Q tribe in Khandhamal, Odisha. Next, most widely spoken language after Hindi in the Indian subcontinent is options are option C Urdu, options B Bengali, option C Telugu and options D Tamil. Right option is option number B Bengali. Bengali is the most spoken language in the Indian subcontinent after Hindi. Next, most widely spoken language after Hindi in India is also Bengali. Next, which of the following was given the classical language status in 2014? Options are option A Odia, options B Gujarati, option C Dongri, options D Bangla. Right option is option number A Odia. Odia became the sixth language of the country to get classical language status on 20 February 2014. Classical language status was given to Tamil in 2004, Sanskrit in 2005, Telugu and Kannada in 2008, Malayalam in 2013. Which one of the following languages belongs to the ostrich group? Options are options A Marathi, options B Ladakhi, option C Khasi, option D Tamil. Right option is option number C Khasi. Next, which one of the following is the largest linguistic group of India? Options are option C Sino-Tibetan, options B Indo-Aryan, option C Austro-Asiatic, options D Dravidian, option D Dravidian, option E none of the above. Right option is option number B Indo-Aryan. Indo-Aryan is the largest linguistic group in India. Next, consider the map given below. The predominant languages spoken in the area marked A, B, C, D are respectively Brajabhasa, Bhojpuri, Mithili, Awadhi. Options B Awadhi, Mithili, Bhojpuri and Brajabhasa. Option C Brajabhasa, Awadhi, Bhojpuri and Mithili. And options D Mithili, Bhojpuri, Brajabhasa and Awadhi. Right option is option number C Brajabhasa, Awadhi, Bhojpuri and Mithili. In the area marked A, Brajabhasa is spoken, and in the area of B, Awadhi is spoken. In the area of C, Bhojpuri is spoken, and in the area of D, Maithili is spoken, which is area of North Bihar. Next, which Indian language is spoken maximum in the world after Hindi? Options are Tamil, options B Bengali, option C Malayalam, option C Telugu. Right option is option number B Bengali. Next, we discuss about MCQ in drainage system in India. Drainage system in Ganga drainage systems. The river Ganga is a examples of. Options are option C antecedent drainage, option B consequent drainage, option C superimposed drainage systems, option D subsequent drainage system. Right option is option number A antecedent drainage systems. Next, the longest river in India is. Options are options A Brahmaputra, options B Ganga, option C Godavari, options D Indus. Right option is option number B Ganga. The Ganga is the longest river 2,525 km in India. It rises in the western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. In March 2017, the High Court of Uttarakhand declared the Ganga is a legal person in Bangladesh. Next. In Bangladesh, the river Ganges is known as options are options A Meghna, options B Padma, options C Bhagirathi, and options D Mahaganga. Right option is option number B. In Bangladesh, the river of Ganga is known as Padma. The Ganga is the longest river in India. The length of its drainage in India is 2,415 km. It emerges from Gangotri Glacier. Ganga is joined by Bhilangana in Tehri and Alaknanda in Devprayag. Ganga is joined by Bhilangana in Tehri and Alaknanda in Devprayag, flowing north to Rajmahal Hill at the border of Jharkhand. Ganga enters Bangladesh at the Farak in West Bengal. Here, Ganga is known as Padma. Ganga merges in the Brahmaputra River in Bangladesh, and further this stream merges in Meghna River. Meghna River finally empties in the Bay of Bengal and forms the largest delta. This delta of the Ganga and Brahmaputra River is created between Hooghly and Meghna River. Next. This delta of the Ganga and Brahmaputra River is created between Hooghly and Meghna River. Next. River Ganga after entering Bangladesh is known by which of the following name? Options are Lohit, options B Padma, option C Kaliganga, option B Nabaganga. Right option is option number B Padma. After entering Bangladesh, the main branch of Ganga is known as Padma. The Padma is joined by Brahmaputra River known as Jamuna. Further it meets Meghna River and it's known as Meghna, which flows in the Bay of Bengal. After Padma is joined Brahmaputra, then it's known as Jamuna. After it meets Meghna, and is commonly known as Meghna, which flows into the Bay of Bengal. Next, Moribund Delta is a subdivision of which of the following delta? Options are Krishna Godavari Delta, options B Mahanadi Delta, option C Bengal Delta, option C Kaveri Delta. Right option is option number B Bengal Delta. Next, Moribund Delta is a subdivision of Bengal Delta. Next, on entering Bangladesh, Ganga is known as option C Padma, option B Meghna, option C Hooghly, and option D Lohit. Right option is option number A Padma. This question is maximum time we study, then easily we remember. Ganga is known as in Bangladesh Padma. Then next, India and Asia's first dolphin research center NDRC is being set up on the banks of the Ganga River at options are Haridwar, options B Patna, option C Varanasi, options D Bhagalpur. Right option is option number B Patna. NDRC center. Okay. Patna. Next, Sundarban Delta is formed by river. Options are options A Ganga and Brahmaputra, options B Ganga and Jamuna, option C Sindhu and Jhelum, and options D Ganga and Sindhu. Right option is option number A Ganga and Brahmaputra. Sundarban Delta is formed by the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra. Sundarban Delta is the world's largest delta formed by the river Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Meghna. 2/3 of the Sundarban Delta is in Bangladesh, while the rest is in India. Assertion and regions. Assertions: the Ganga is a highly polluted river. Regions: the holier the river, the more polluted it is. The select the correct answer from the following code. Option A, both A and R are true, but and R is a correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Right option is option number C. A is true but R is false. A is true The Ganga is a highly polluted river. It's true. R is false. The holier the river, the more polluted it is. It's wrong. Option C is correct. Okay. It is correct that Ganga is one of the most polluted river of the world, but its reason is not its sanctity. A large proportion of polluted water with a higher organic load of urban area is dumped in the Gangas, which is the root cause of pollution in the Ganga. Next, the depth of Gangetic alluvial soil below the land surface is about options A 6,000 meter, options B 600 meter, options D 800 meter, options D 100 meter. Right option is option number A 6,000 meter. According to the Oldham, the depth of Gangetic alluvial soils below the land surface is about 4,000 to 6,000 meters, and according to Glennie, it is about 2,000 meters. So option A is correct. Next, examine the following statements and select the correct answers by using code given below. Devrayag is located at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river. Bhagirathi and Devrayag is located at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river. Rudraprayag is located at the confluence of Mandakini and Alaknanda river. Alaknanda flows from Bhagirathi. Kedarnath is considered as the biggest seat established by Adi Shankaracharya. Options are options A 1 to 3, options B 2 3 4, options C 1 to 4, and options D 1 to 3 4. Right option is option number A. Devrayag is located at the confluence of Devrayag and Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river. Bhagirathi plus Alaknanda equal to Devrayag. Next, Rudraprayag is located in the confluence of Mandakini and Alaknanda. Mandakini plus Alaknanda equal to Rudraprayag, and Alaknanda flows from Badrinath. Alaknanda flows from Badrinath. Okay, this 3 is right and 4 is wrong. Okay, the right option is option number A 1 to 3. The explanation of the above statement is as follows. Devrayag is located at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river, and Rudraprayag is located at the confluence of Mandakini and Alaknanda river. Alaknanda is common and the Devrayag Bhagirathi and Rudraprayag Mandakini. Alaknanda flows in Chamoli, Tehri and Pauri districts. Alaknanda flows in Chamoli, Tehri and Pauri districts. Badrinath is a Nagar Panchayat of Chamoli district, which is situated on the bank of Alaknanda river. Okay, and the Badrinath was established as a major pilgrimage site by Adi Shankaracharya, not Kedarnath. Okay, it is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga of Lord Shiva in India. Kedarnath is known as a Samadhi Sthal in Adi Shankaracharya. Kedarnath is known as Samadhi Sthal in Adi Shankaracharya, and Badrinath was established major pilgrimage site Adi Shankaracharya, not Kedarnath. Okay, Badrinath is a under 12 Jyotirlinga in Lord Shiva. Okay, next, match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer by using code given below. Options are A Rudraprayag, place and confluence of river. Rudraprayag Bhagirathi Alaknanda, Nandaprayag Mandakini Alaknanda, Karnaprayag Alaknanda Pindar, and Devrayag Vishnuprayag and Mandakini. We also discussed 2 points in previous question. So Devrayag is not Vishnuprayag and Mandakini. Devrayag is confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. So option D is not correct. Options D related to Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. Options D is related to option number 1, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. D is and right option is B and C related. Okay, then we read about Rudraprayag. Rudraprayag is related to Mandakini and Alaknanda. Mandakini. And A option is related to option number B. A option is then we found the right option. Right option is option number B. And B, Nandakini is related to Vishnu Prayag and Mandakini. Nanda Prayag is related to Vishnu Prayag and Mandakini, and option number C, Karna Prayag, is related to Alaknanda and Pindar. So option B is correct. Place mentioned in the list Rudra Prayag, Karna Prayag, Dev Prayag are correctly matched with Mandakini, Alaknanda, Pindar and Bhagirathi, and Alaknanda of the list 2 respectively, while Nanda Prayag is not matched with Vishnu Prayag and Mandakini. Nanda Prayag is located at the confluence of Nandakini and Alaknanda river. Okay, Mandakini, यहाँ पर नंदाकिनी मिल रहे हैं. Okay, Nanda Prayag is not is a confluence of Nandakini. Option B is correct. So option B is correct. Yes. Next, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meet at options are options A, Dev Prayag, options B, Karna Prayag, and options C, Vishnu Prayag, and option D, Rudra Prayag. Right option is option number A, Dev Prayag. We study also in previous options. Various time we studied, then we remember easily this point. The Ganga is the most important river of India. It rises in Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh in Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand. Here it is known as Bhagirathi. It cuts through the central and lesser Himalaya. Bhagirathi meets Alaknanda at Devprayag, and hereafter it's known as Ganga. Next, which of the following is the place of confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi? Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Options are options A, Vishnu Prayag, options B, Karna Prayag, option C, Rudra Prayag, option D, Dev Prayag. Right option is option number D, Dev Prayag. Next, at which of the following towns the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi combine to form river Ganga? Options are option A, Haridwar, options B, Rishikesh, option C, Rudra Prayag, options B, Dev Prayag, and option C, none of the above. Right option is option number D, Dev Prayag. With which drainage systems or main river in Mandakini associated? Options are Alaknanda, options B, Bhagirathi, option C, Yamuna, and options D, Dhauli Ganga. Right option is option number A, Alaknanda. Mandakini river originates at Sorabari Tal. It is fed by Basuki Ganga river at Sonprayag. This river merges with Kali Ganga near Kalimat temple and with Madhya Mahashwar Ganga near Ukhimat. Next, name the river which flow between Kedarnath and Rudraprayag. Options are options A, Bhagirathi, options B, Alaknanda, options C, Surya, options D, Mandakini. Right option is option number D, Mandakini. Next, along with which of the following rivers banks the famous temples of Badrinath is located? Options A, Alaknanda, options B, Bhagirathi, options C, Mandakini, options D, Ganga. Right option is option number A, Alaknanda. Along which of the following river bank the famous temple Badrinath is located? Options. Right option is option number A, Alaknanda. The famous Badrinath temple is situated near the bank of Alaknanda river, which Kedarnath temple is located near the banks of Mandakini river in Uttarakhand. Next, the longest flowing river in India is options A, Mahanadi, options B, Godavari, option C, Ganga, options D, Narmada. Right option is option number C. The longest flowing river in India is C, Ganga. Next, the length of the following river of India mentioned in the question is given below. Options A, Ganga 2525 km, options B, Godavari, next Godavari 1465 km, and Narmada 1312 km, and Mandakini 851 km. Next, Bhagirathi river originates from Option C Gomukh, option B Gangotri, option C Tapovan, and option D Vishnuprayag. Right option is option number A Gomukh. Bhagirathi river originates from Gomukh. Bhagirathi emerges from Gomukh Glacier 18 km away from Gangotri under Shibalinga Peak. Siangad marges in Bhagirathi near Jala, the joint stream of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi flowing Devprayag onwards is known as Ganga. Identify the only tributary of river Ganga which rises in the plains. Options A Son, options B Sarda or Surya, option C Gomti, options D Ramganga, option C Gomti. Identify only tributary of Ganga which rises in plains. C Gomti. The Gomti river originates from Gomattal, which was formerly known as Fulhar Lake near Pilibhat districts of Uttarakhand. It is the only tributary of river Ganga which rises in the plains. Next, among the following tributaries, which one of the following parts of Ganga river basins? Options A Sank, options B North Kale, option C South Kale, options D Barakar, option C none of the above. Right option is option E none of the above. Among the which tributaries, which part of the Ganga river basin? None of the above. North Kale is the river flows from Jharkhand, a tributary of the Son River, and it joins the right bank of Son River. The Son River is the second largest tributary of the Ganga from southern parts of the Ganga near Patna. Next, assertions and reasons. Yamuna became a dead river between Delhi and Agra most of the year. Reasons: Yamuna is non-perennial river. Select the correct answer code given the below. Right option is A is true, C. Right option is C, A is true, R is false. Yamuna became a dead river between Delhi and Agra most of the year. Yamuna is not a perennial river. It's wrong. Yamuna became a dead river between Delhi and Agra most of the year because of domestic discharge and industrial waste in Delhi, Ghaziabad, Mathura, Agra. So, next, which one of the following rivers is not a tributary of Yamuna? Options A Betwa, options B Sambal, options C Ken, options D Ramganga, options D is right Ramganga. Next, Ramganga river originates from Dulatoli ranges in Puri, Gharwal, Uttarakhand. Next, the river Yamuna originates from options A Sukhamba, options B Bandarpunch, option C Nandadeva, options D Nilkanth. Right option is option number B Bandarpunch. Yamuna river. The Yamuna river originates from Yamunotri glacier near Bandarpunch range. Next, consider the following tributaries of river Yamuna and arrange the following west to east. Right option is option number A Chambal, west to east. And consider the following tributaries of river Yamuna arranged from west to east. Right option is option number A Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. Sambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. Sambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. The tributaries of Yamuna flowing from west to east: Sambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. The Sambal river originates near Mahua in Madhya Pradesh. This river flows through Sawai Madhopur and Dholpur in Rajasthan and finally joins the Yamuna. Next, which of the following river does not fall into river Yamuna? Options A Ken, options B Betwa, options C Son, options D Sambal. Right option is option number C. Which of the following river does not fall into river Yamuna? Son. Son is the one of the main river of Madhya Pradesh. It is a tributary of river Ganga. While Sambal, option C is correct. Which of the following river does not fall in the river Yamuna? Son is right option is option number C. Son. Son is the one of the main river of Madhya Pradesh. It is the tributary of river Ganga, while the Sambal, Betwa, and Ken are the tributary of the river Yamuna. Okay, next, which of the following river does not join the river Sambal? Options are Kespra, Kali, Sindh, Betwa, and Parvati. Right option is Betwa. River Betra rises in Vindhya range and it is a tributary of Yamuna. It joins the river Yamuna near Hamirpur town, Uttarakhand. Next, Betwa river originates from options A, Aravalli range, Satpura range, Vindhya range, Western Ghat. Right option is option number C, Vindhya range. Betwa river originates from the Vindhya mountain range in Raisen districts at an altitude of 576 meter above sea level in Madhya Pradesh. It joins Yamuna River in Hamirpur districts of Uttarakhand. Which valley of the following river is kept to known to deep river in? Options A, Narmada. Options B, Son. Options C, Chambal. Options D, Tapti. Options right option is option number C, Chambal. Chambal river valley. Okay, Chambal. Which valley of the following river is known as deep river in? Chambal river valley is known after deep river in. Chambal river in are named as a Bihand or bedlands. These are the eroded land patterns around river Chambal. The Chambal river is a tributary of Yamuna river in central India and does form part of Greater Gangetic drainage system. Betwa river joins the options are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Son. Right option is option number B, Yamuna. Next, Indonesia does not share its land boundary with which one of the following countries? Options A, Brunei. Options B, Timor-Leste, and option C, Malaysia. Options D, Papua New Guinea. Right option is option number A, Brunei. Next, which of the following tributaries of Ganga system flows northward? Options A, Kosi. Options B, Ghagra. Option C, Son. Options D, Gandak. Right option is option number C, Son. Which of the following tributaries of Ganga flows northward? Tributaries of Ganga flows northward. C. Okay, Son. The Son which originates near Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh in the main right bank tributary of river Ganga, which flows northward to join Ganga near Patna. Other rivers are tributary of river Ganga on its left bank and from southward. Okay, which river among the following does not join the Ganga river from left? Options A, Gomti, Ghagra, Koshi, Son. Right option is option number D, Son. Next, which range acts as a water divided between Yamuna and Son? Options A, Bhadra. Options B, Kaimur. Option C, Meikal. Options D, Mukundawara. Right option is option number B, Kaimur range form the watershed or divides two major rivers of Peninsular India, the Son on the south and the Ton on the north. Which one of the following rivers joins Ganga at Fatuha? Options A, Son. Options B, Punpun. Option C, Sakri. Options D, Balan. Option C, none of the above. Right option is option number B, Punpun. The Punpun river originates from Plateau states of Jharkhand and enters Aurangabad districts of Bihar and joins Ganga near Fatuha in Patna districts. Morhar and Gardha are tributaries of Punpun. Which of the following river does not flows through the state of Uttar Pradesh? Options A, Son river. Options B, Hindon river. Options C, Gandak river. Option D, Sarda river. Right option is option number C, Gandak river. Which of the following rivers does not flow through the state of Uttar Pradesh? Gandak river. The Gandak river does not flow through the state of Uttar Pradesh. This river enters Bihar after leaving Nepal and joins Ganga near Sonpur, Patna. Son, Hindon.